सभी को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम एडवोकेट दीपक भट्ट है और आज हम आए हैं एएफटी में। लास्ट 1 वीक से हम लोग ने एक एक कैंपेन चलाया था। हम स्टडी कर रहे थे कि ऐसे कौन कौन से या ऐसे कौन अफेक्टेड लोग हैं जिनके जो लाइक दे आर विडोज एंड देयर हस्बैंड्स वर डिसमिस्ड फ्रॉम सर्विस ऑन एनी ग्राउंड। तो अब ग्राउंड्स तो बहुत हैं। जैसे अभी हमारे पास कुछ मैटर्स हैं जहाँ पे वी हैव लाइक हनी ट्रैप मैटर्स, देन वी हैव डिसमिसल बिकॉज ऑफ डिसिप्लिन ग्राउंड्स। बट आज हम बात करेंगे केवल वे द डिसमिसल वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ प्लूरल मैरिज और मैरिंग मोर देन वन पर्सन। तो फैक्ट्स ये हैं कि 17 जून 2002 को हमारे क्लाइंट के हस्बैंड ही वॉज enrolled in the military. Then he served for 22 years. It means he got one extension after completing 20 years. While his service was 22 years, जब उनकी सर्विस 22 years थी, उस समय हुआ क्या? He was not taking care of his family, his wife. So his wife approached the military and they started giving a maintenance amount. But next 6 months, it came into the knowledge of everyone that the person has remarried without taking divorce from the first wife. On that ground, he was dismissed. And उसके बाद he expired. Even the wife he got married, the second wife also expired, due to some accident. Now, who is the real sufferer? The first wife or my client. She is blessed with 3 children. How she has to cope up? आप सोचिए, जब शादी हुई होगी तो एक फादर ने क्या सोचा होगा कि यार आई एम मैरिंग ऑफ माई डॉटर टू अ फौजी और टू अ पर्सन हु इज़ इन टू अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. And at least kal ke din if he does not if he does not survive, my daughter will have a type of security of family pension. So we are here for the grant of ordinary family pension to a widow whose husband was dismissed because of plural marriage. We have almost 10 case laws with us today. They are, if not identical, but related to it. In all these case laws, either that JCO, the officer, or the OR was dismissed. Let it be any ground. But when they expired, their family were granted ordinary family pension. And we know that in the regulation or in the Army Act, there is no provision of it. So it was all just, we can say, like on the ground of humanity, it was given. Some more facts are there, but I have told you the things in a very layman way. I do not want to make it more technical session, but soon we are coming up. We have good projects coming up. We are going to tell each and every section or every article of the Air Force Act, Army Act. We are going in deep to the regulation for the Air Force, regulation for the Army, and regulation for the Indian Navy. Besides this, we are also working for the civilians जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं military areas में, and they are covered under CCS conduct rules, and for them there is a Central Administrative Tribunal, CAT. Already for them it is there. I wish all the best to my client and all my interns, my juniors, my seniors for their blessings. And this matter rests today. Last 1 week we were creating so many things. We even went on creating quizzes. We wanted to have more data into it, more inputs. So we went into environment and we really gathered a lot of things which is going to help us in contesting this case in a more better way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe us, and let this video reach to the last man who really need our help. Thank you.